seems like there's a big problem going on with the Mavic 4 Pro with respect to shutter speed settings. As you can see, I'm in a pro mode and you can see it's 6K 30 and my shutter speed is set to 60. That's double. Okay, if you click it, you can see it 60, and if you wait, it's 30. Okay, but now the funny part is, if I go out here and tap it here and go to the slow-mo, the shutter speed changes to 120. That's all okay because I switched to slow-mo, but if I revert back to normal, it still remains 120. And it's not happening with the one mode, it's happening with all the lenses. As I will go and tap it on 2.5, you see I have 4K 30, shutter speed 1/60, and if I go tap it on slow-mo, yeah, here you go, it changes to 120. Okay, but if I revert back to normal, it stays 120. That's funny. Now I'll go and do it for the sixth lens. You see, it's 4K 30, shutter speed 1/60. Now if I go back to slow-mo, sorry, yeah, it remains to move to 100. But if I go back to the normal mode from here, it remains in 100. That's funny. It's not changing back to what I set it for. And there's another thing that I've also noticed in this was, when you see the 4K setting, the camera, if you see, this is 4K. If you switch between your lenses, like 2.5 or 1, and if I go and change this shutter speed to, just take an example, 48 or 50 fps, and comes out of the menu. Now if I go to 2.5 lens, this is also set to 4K 50, and if I go to 6, it also goes to 4K 50. So this remains same. My frames, I don't know it is normal or not, but you guys can tell me whether this is right or wrong. Yeah, I'm not understanding. And as you can see, this is still a problem. Like if I go tap it here and bring it back to the normal, like I will bring it to 30, 60. Okay, now if I try to go into slow-mo and click it on the slow-mo, you see the shutter speed changed to 1/100. I don't know it's a glitch or it's normal, but help me find it out if there's a problem, if you all are facing this problem, because that's not good. These settings should not be changing, they should remain as is. And tag DJI so that we can ask for the changes.